Hello and welcome back to December De-Stress. So now we're moving to the first breathwork exercise. When we look at coherent breathing, we say it's 3-6-5. And what does that mean? 3 stands for try and practice it 3 times a day, morning, midday, and evening. The 6 stands for you're taking 6 breaths per minute. Because another part of optimal breathing is breathing slowly. So low is the diaphragm and we breathe slow. So we want to reduce the amount of breaths that we are taking. So in this exercise, we are consciously slowing it down to 6 breaths per minute, which means we breathe into the count of 5 and we breathe out to the count of 5. And the 5 stands for 5 minutes, at least 5 minutes of practice. So 3 times a day, 6 breaths per minute, 5 minutes per time. So what does the coherent breathing look like? Well, all you're doing is you're inhaling in through your nose and you're exhaling out through your nose, and it's an equal inhale to exhale, which is why it's called balanced breath. So this exercise, you're breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. So we're going to be inhaling to the count of 5 and exhaling to the count of 5. No music yet. We're just going to practice so we can get into the swing of it. By the way, if you find that 5 is too long, like you're out of breath, then just you go at your own pace. Just breathe in for the 4 and breathe out for 4, or breathe in for 3 and breathe out for 3. So when we practice, I'm going to encourage you to use your hands. So that will be the inhale and that will be the exhale, just to get into the rhythm, and then you'll drop your hands and then you will breathe without using your hands. Okay, so let's be aware of posture, bringing your shoulders up to your ears, gently rolling them back, softening them, bringing your awareness to your jaw, softening, your neck softening. Imagine that there is a string that's being pulled up through the crown of your head, so you're improving your posture, you're sitting up straight. And when we begin every exercise, we inhale and we release with a sigh, and then we begin together. Let's inhale using our hands and inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, in, 2, 3, 4, 5, out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Soften your shoulders, 2, 3, 4, 5, out, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, out, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lower your hands, in, 2, 3, 4, 5, out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very, very good. Okay, so when I put on the music, the count is going to be slower. And I must warn you that the exercise is not about in and then you pause for the rest of the count, as if the inhale is just for 3 and then you pause for 2 and you exhale quickly for 3 and pause for 2. No, the correct way of doing it is it's a slow inhale. The entire inhale is to the count of 5 and the entire exhale is to the count of 5. Some people find that challenging. Some people find especially that exhale slowing it down. So you may want to focus on ujjayi breath. In other words, if you can kind of close, flatten the back of your throat, and then it slows the exhale down. So the entire count is the inhale, the entire count is the exhale. So I'm going to put some music on and you'll hear 2 gongs. The one gong is for the inhale, and then the other gong is for the exhale. So I'll count it in the beginning, but then you are going to be left to follow this wonderful rhythm of the inhale and the exhale. All the while feeling your belly pushing out, feeling your ribs moving upwards and outwards, and then slowly relaxing. Okay, are you ready? Watch your posture, get your posture straight. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4, 5, out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just follow the gong. In and out. Finding the rhythm, breathing in, it's effortless. In through the nose, in. Out, 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 out. In, feel your belly expanding as you're breathing in, and feel your belly flattening as you breathe out. Feel your belly expanding and feel your belly flattening. Now your ribs, feel them opening upwards, outwards and backwards. Open, 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 open. Close, 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 close. Open, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, it's effortless, softening your shoulders. And out, softening your neck. In through your nose. And out. Gently in, expanding, feeling your lungs full with air. And out. In, relaxing, drawing in the air. And out, beautiful, gently releasing it. In and out. Gently in, feel the expansion, the 360 expansion, open, open, and out. In and out. You're doing so well. And in, filling your lungs, filling, and out. In and out. In and out. In, pulling those ribs upwards, outwards, backwards, and out. And let's use the imagery from the first lesson. The diaphragm, the roots moving into the ground, the branches moving up towards the sky. And as you exhale, feel the leaves fluttering, gently relaxing. In, feel the root, feel that diaphragm, the branches up and out. And out, just feel the beautiful leaves as you relax when you release. In, root, branches up, out towards the sky. And out, those beautiful gentle leaves fluttering and letting go. Root into the earth, and then the branches to the sky. Open, 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 and flutter, 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 flutter. Roots and branches opening, and the fluttering of the leaves. The roots and the branches up towards the sky, opening, the fluttering, relaxing, softening of the leaves. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay with your breath. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, as a thought comes up, notice, there's a thought, and then you release it. So well done. That was 5 minutes of coherent breathing. That's all you need. 3 times a day, 5 minutes, and you taking 6 breaths per minute, which is in for 5 and out for 5. So just close your eyes for a moment. Drop your awareness into your body. How does your heart feel right now? How does your stomach feel right now? Your hands, your shoulders, your feet. Just drop into any sensation. Because understand that with this breathing, with this coherent breathing, the balanced inhale and the balanced exhale, you're balancing your nervous system. When you balance your nervous system by consciously changing your breath, you are improving your health. So your heart rate variability increases, your blood pressure lowers, you start to develop this heart coherence. Then the brain waves, you have this coherence. It affects the organs in the body. Your mind works in a better way. Because you have this balanced nervous system, it improves your gut health, your immune health. Just feel into this balance. And if your eyes are still closed, you can open your eyes. And I just want to remind you, 365. If you commit from this day, every day, 3 times a day, to practice this coherent breathing, by the time the 1st of January begins, you are going to feel like you have a charged battery because you are balancing. And don't stop in January. You want to continue. This is a supplement. It's something you take and do every single day if you want to maintain your overall well-being, your physical, mental, emotional well-being. I hope you enjoyed it. Listen, if you have any questions, if you not think you're doing it right, or if you want me to explain something else, email me, nikiseberini@gmail.com. The next video I will be posting in a few days' time. Take care, look after yourself, and remember not to just breathe to survive. You want to breathe to thrive. Take care.